welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with a very wonderful chapter from your storybook, that is Ritik and the Bicycle. So, when life gives you lemons, you make a lemonade. But when life takes away all the comforts from your life that you have, you find ways to get them back. So, keeping these thoughts in mind, let's meet Ritik, a determined boy who dreams of owning a bicycle, just only for so that he can make his 1 hour daily journey to school a little bit easier. So, let's join him on his journey. So, as you can see, before beginning with the chapter, we have a blue box given over here, which is only for our general knowledge, that is integrated with GK. So, let's gain some knowledge from this box. So, a bicycle is a useful vehicle that helps us reach a destination without polluting the environment. So, to reach our destination in nowadays, we all require vehicles. So, bicycle is one of that vehicle that helps us to reach our destination very easily and within no time. But cycle is the only vehicle that helps us reaching our destination but without polluting the environment, right? It is composed of steel and has 2 wheels. In addition, it has got a seat and a handle with 2 pedals and also a bell. So they are saying that the cycle is made up of steel and it has 2 wheels. And in addition, it has one seat, one handle, 2 pedals, and also one bell, right? Some bicycles have a carrier while some don't. So only a few cycles have carrier with them, but the others do not have some carriers with them, right? So this was our blue box that gained us some knowledge. So let's begin with the chapter now. So here, Ritik and his brother had to go to school every day, right? So here we are talking about the 2 boys, that is Ritik and his younger brother, right? So they usually go to school by walking. But because their school was so far from their home that it took them 1 hour to reach to their school from their home, which was a little bit a hard task for those small boys, right? Their parents' financial condition was actually not good, so that they cannot afford sending their children from bus to their school, or they could buy them a bicycle, right? So Ritik and his brother had to walk to school every day. Moving ahead. So, in nowadays, we see that we students, we children, we have all kind of facilities. And if we are not getting the things that we want, we straight away ask our parents, and our parents being too good to us, they always give us the things that we want, right? But here, the situation is actually different. The 2 boys never asked their parents for any kind of bicycle or any kind of bus facility. Why? Because they were very well aware that how much hard their parents were working to send them to a good school for their education purpose. Right? They knew that how much hard their parents were working, and Ritik was a very hardworking boy who always helped his brother also, right? So, one day Ritik was walking past by a bicycle shop. So, it happened that suddenly when he was returning from his school to his home, he saw a bicycle shop on the way. Then what happened? Let's just read the chapter and find it out. But before that, we have a question over here. Let's read the question and find the answer. How much time did Ritik and his brother take to reach school from home? So, are you all able to answer this question? Absolutely correct. Actually, it took 1 hour to both of them to reach their school from their home, right? So let's move ahead now. So, when Ritik reached that bicycle shop, he saw an old bicycle over there that was kept for sale. So, Ritik wanted to own that bicycle very eagerly, right? So that he can make his school journey a little bit easier, right? So, he went to the shop and asked the shopkeeper about the cost of the bicycle. So, the shopkeeper replied, 55 rupees. And after hearing that, Ritik realized that 55 rupees is not that much, right? So, Ritik thought that he would be buying this bicycle, and with this thought, he moved out of the shop. But while returning to his home, he was thinking that what all work he can do to earn some money so that he can buy that bicycle. So, he thought of some works that he could clean the cars, deliver the newspapers, or help at the car repair shops. But Ritik did not at all dare to tell all these things to his father because he knew that if his father got to know that his son wants a bicycle, he will start working very hard to give him that bicycle. And he knew that how hard it was for his father to earn that amount of money and get him a bicycle. But he knew that his father could do overtime or overwork for getting more pay and buying that bicycle from him. But he knew that his father was ill and it was not at all beneficiary for him to do an overtime. So he decided to keep it a secret and not sharing any kind of thing with his parents. Right? Moving ahead. Now, while he was thinking of different kind of jobs, he remembered that the baker who was residing just beside by their house, he remembered that he told him that he is going out on the town and he needs a delivery boy who can deliver all the kind of materials or all the breads or all the necessities to the people on behalf of him, right? So Ritik went to the baker and asked him that, can I have any kind of job over here? So the shopkeeper replied him that, yes, I can offer you a job, but that is only if you know how to ride a bicycle. So Ritik told him that, yes, I know how to ride a bicycle and I also won first prize in the cycle racing in my school. But hearing this, the shopkeeper realized that I do not want a racing boy for my shop. I only want a normal boy who can simply ride a bicycle and deliver the things from one place to another. So, I may find a different boy rather than you for delivering purpose. But hearing this, Ritik got really afraid and he said, no, no, sir, I will deliver everything for you and I make you sure that I will ride the bicycle very carefully. So, after that, what did happen? Let's see. By hearing this, the baker knew that Ritik was already a good boy, a steady boy, and he was really hardworking. So, the shopkeeper agreed to pay him 20 rupees at the end of 10 days because he was going out of the town for 10 days. So, he offered him 20 rupees for the next 10 days, right? And Ritik was thrilled, although it meant that he had still to got another 35 rupees to buy the bicycle. Now he was making calculations in his mind that if I get 20 rupees from here, I will only have to earn 35 rupees more to earn that bicycle, right? Moving ahead. So now Ritik started to deliver the things to the different houses. Like he used to deliver the breads, he used to return from school and straight away go to the baker's shop to do the work. He actually gave up playing with his friends. He actually gave up all the things that he did after returning from the school, as he was very much determined to own that bicycle. But he did not fret over this. He had made up his mind to earn enough money to buy a bicycle because he was very much determined towards his motive. So he decided that he will be working really hard to get that bicycle. After that, so now what happened? The baker returned after 10 days and he was very much pleased and surprised by the work that Ritik has done. Right? He offered him to work more for him, and he is going to pay him a good amount. That means he will be going to pay him 40 rupees, and that was enough to buy the bicycle from that shop. So Ritik, after hearing this, got very happy and he went away straight to that cycle shop so that he can tell the shopkeeper do not sell the bicycle ahead as he is going to buy that bicycle. But as soon as he reached the shop, the bicycle seller told him that the cycle has already been sold. So Ritik got really upset at that moment and he started moving out of that shop. But after seeing the sad face of Ritik, the shopkeeper called him back and told him, if you really want that bicycle, I have a really good deal for you. Now let's see that what was the deal. So, after hearing, Ritik agreed to his statement that he is really in need of buying that bicycle. So, he told the shopkeeper that he is going to bargain. So, now what was that bargain? The shopkeeper told him that if you work for me for 6 months after your school, I am going to pay you a new bicycle after the end of the 6 months. Right? But Ritik exclaimed after hearing this, and he agreed to the situation. He told the shopkeeper that 6 months are a little bit longer for me, but to show my determination towards the cycle, I am surely going to work for 6 months and earn a new bicycle from you. Right? So that was the story. So, by reading this story, we learn that sometimes when we have to achieve our goals, we require some kind of patience, hard work, determination, and perseverance. But the result is surely going to be worth it, right? And hence, we saw the same thing with Ritik's story, right? He was also having a true determination of owning a bicycle. So, for more inspiring stories or for stories with great perseverance, patience, and hard work, do subscribe our channel, like the video, and hit the bell icon.